planning a move in Pamlico County, North Carolina? Whether you're relocating to Bayboro, Arapahoe, or nearby towns, moving can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, it can be smooth and stress-free. Hi, this is Three Movers, and today we're sharing quick tips for a seamless move in Pamlico County. Scheduling your move ahead of time is essential. Pamlico County is a small but busy community, so booking trucks and crews early ensures your preferred moving day is available and reduces last-minute stress. Use sturdy boxes, packing tape, and bubble wrap for fragile items. Clearly label each box by room. Proper packing protects your belongings and makes unpacking faster and easier. Professional movers save time and prevent injuries. They're trained to handle heavy furniture, navigate tight driveways, and ensure your items arrive safely, making your move smoother and less stressful. Moving in Pamlico County doesn't have to be stressful. With careful planning, smart packing, and professional movers, your relocation can be simple and worry-free. Visit threemovers.com/north-carolina/Pamlico-county for a free estimate and let experienced movers handle the heavy lifting.